Welcome back to my channel Wake Up and Makeup. So in today's video I'm going to show you one product. Even I'm going to review that product and I will be showing that the demo of that product as well. So let me start with the video. So this is the product I'm talking about. This is the Sivanna Colors Eyebrow Makeup Kit. And sorry guys, I just showed the outer packaging. Actually I don't remember where did I get that. I don't know it's there or it just went in the waste. So I'm sorry for that thing. It was nothing, just a cardboard packaging, and from which this kit was just shown. So yes, this is the product I'm talking about, and I have there is no, okay, yeah, there is the shade and it is the shade 05, and I purchased this from the local store which is near my house. And so this is the eyebrow kit, and what it's written, it's a unique long-lasting formula. It is delicate and perspiration make each line a softer, natural. Soft color can be modified nose profile to strengthen the nose three-dimensional, and it comes in 8 grams of the product. Okay, you can also purchase from the Sivanna.com website, or I guess it might be available on Amazon, Flipkart or Shopcluse. If it is available, I will be just leaving the link of that thing in the description box below, so you can check it out from there. So yes, this is the plasticky small packaging which is very travel friendly, and it's very nice packaging. And let me show you. So this is the inner packaging. You will be getting a small mirror on the top of this, and these are the two shades. One is in the brown and one is in the black shade, and you will be getting this applicator along with you, and the quality of this applicator is also great. One side is sponge and another side is this angled eyebrow brush, and these are the two shades. And guys, this is so pigmented. I have used this a lot, and after using for many times I'm reviewing this product, so I can give you my honest review about this. And they are so pigmented, I swear. They are really very pigmented, and they are very soft, powdery textured. So yes, let me show you the demo of this one. One more thing, I paid 190 or 180 rupees for this eyebrow kit. I don't know this retails for how much on Amazon. I will be leaving the link of this one in description box below. You can definitely go and check out there. So I'm taking this black shade first. They are so very pigmented. I'm taking a very little bit of product. I'm not taking much on the brush. And you can see this. I really like this. And now I'm taking this brown shade, and I will be applying in the starting point of my eyebrows to give it a natural look. As you can see this, and you can also use this eyebrow kit for the contouring thing. You can use this one for contouring as well. So I am taking this one, and I am drawing a line over here, and I will be blending it with my fingers only. See how much difference it made. You can use this also for the contouring, so it's a multi-purpose kit. You can also use this for the eyeshadow. You can take this brown shade as a base right here, and with this you can create a smoky look. So it's a multi-purpose eyebrow kit. I would really recommend this to you. It's a very great product. I would really give a thumbs up from my side for this product. It's 100% recommendable. So yes, this was my mini review and demo for the Sivanna Colors Eyebrow Kit. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up to my video. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. So see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye guys, take care.